Hey guys, what's up? Tonight I am unboxing the Craftsman 6.5-inch circular saw. Picked it up at Lowe's today. It wasn't even on a shelf yet, it was sitting on the cart, and you know, it got my attention and I figured to pick it up and try it out. It goes for $139. It includes a 4 amp hour battery charger and the saw. As you can see, it has a 2 1/8 inch cut depth, 50-degree tool-free bevel capacity. Let's spin this thing around here. And the specifications, it's of course 20-volt max, 4200 RPM, 6.5-inch blade, and all that good stuff. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. And here we have the instructions. It's cardboard. With the 4 amp hour battery. And 1 bar of juice in it. Here's the charger. I'll have to let you down for a second. Alright, we got it figured out. Alright, sorry, that was a little... Anyways, got the blade out, 18 tooth. Now, usually these blades that come with these saws, we just kind of, you know, I have a spot on my wall where I hang all the factory blades that come with everything, and usually everything gets swapped out for a Diablo. But take a look at it. It's got a nice rubber overmold all the way across here. Unfortunately, plastic blade guard. I'm not sure how durable that's going to be. I have a couple rigid circular saws that the plastic blade guard, and they've been good so far. I guess you gotta do what you gotta do to keep price down. Here's your adjustment for your bevel, depth adjustment, safety, trigger. Let's pop a battery in here and see what it sounds like really quick. It's definitely quiet. We'll have to put it to a test, see how much power it actually has, and on a full charge battery. I do also have a Milwaukee brushed 6.5-inch saw, and you know, according to specs, it says that only puts out 3,500 RPMs. This one's, according to the box here, it says it's supposed to put out 4,200 RPMs. I know a lot of people think this Craftsman stuff is rebadged Porter cable, which it kind of is. I looked up the specs on the Porter cable, and its max RPM is 4,000, and then I went and checked DeWalt's, and it's 5,150 RPM, which is up there, you know. I might try to get a video in this weekend of this thing in action. Maybe I'll put it against the Milwaukee brushed circular saw. You know, it won't be totally fair since that saw is a couple years old and batteries are a couple years old, but you know, it is what I got. But so here's a short video. Sorry about the rough unboxing. It's a little harder one-handed than I thought it would be. But anyways, that's a look at it. We'll see if we can do some cutting with it tomorrow. See what the weather's like. All right, y'all have a good evening.